So let's remind once again. In direct addressing mode, entire 120 byte of the RAM can be accessed by using direct addressing mode. The RAM location from 00H to 7FH are more often used for accessing the memory location. So addressing mode of such type of data in the RAM memory location whose address known, and this addressing is given as the part of the instruction. So for accessing the data from particular memory location, so for accessing the data present in a particular memory location, such type of instructions are called as a direct addressing move. For example, move R0, 40H. Here, the data present in the memory location 40H is moving into the destination register R0. And here, moving the data present in the accumulator that will be storing at this particular address memory location. 56 is the address of memory location. Here in that memory location, the data present in the accumulator is moving. So in the indirect addressing mode, here the instruction specifies a register which contains the address of the operand. That is, the register holds the actual address and that will be used in the data move operation. The address may be 8-bit or it may be a 16-bit address. Here at sign indicates the register act as a pointer to the memory location. Let's see the example. What is that? Move A, at R1. Here copy the content of memory location whose address is specified in the register R1. Here remember, at sign is nothing but where the data present, that memory location address is present in the R1 register, and at that particular data will store to the or move to the register accumulator A. This is the one example of indirect addressing mode. And what is the register addressing mode is nothing but each register bank consists of the register R0 to R7. To access these registers, there are special instructions. And in the instruction opcode, 3 bits are reserved for specifying one of the 8 registers from the selected register bank. For selecting the register bank, the user has to be modified 2-bit in the program status word. In the example, move A, R2, that is, copy the data from the register R2 of the selected register bank to a register A. The data whichever present in the register R2 is moving to the register or accumulator register A. Such type of instructions are called register addressing mode. Here source and operands both are in registers. What is the register specific addressing mode means? In this addressing mode, the instruction refer to the specific register such as the accumulator or data pointer. Here, let's see some of the example. Decimal adjust accumulator for the addition. Right? RRA means rotate the content of accumulator to the right. So such type of operation specifying by using a specific register called as a register specific addressing mode. Here all the operation done in a register itself. What operation? Swap operation, rotate operation, many operation we can perform itself in a register. So such type of addressing modes are called register specific addressing mode. So next one is immediate addressing mode. So what is the immediate addressing mode means? This method, the simplest method to get the data. This one is a very simplest method of the addressing mode to get the data directly to the register or whatever the destination. Here, as the data source is a part of the instruction and it is immediately available. The direct data, whichever we want to provide, so we can provide to that register directly by using hash sign. Hash sign is very important here. Hash indicates the data followed immediate operands. So move a comma 30h is nothing but copy the 30h immediate value to the accumulator. So this is one of the example of immediate addressing mode. So what are the external addressing mode, which means there are two types. Itself there are two types, code access and data access. So what is the code access means? Using these instructions, only external program memory can be accessed. This addressing mode preferred for reading the lookup table in the program memory, either DPTR or program counter. Let's see the example. Move A comma at A, move C A comma at A plus DPTR. Here the instruction will load the accumulator with the byte from the program memory. The byte from the program memory is fetched from the sum of unsigned 8-bit accumulator content and the content of DPTR. What is the data access addressing mode? Using this addressing mode, the programmer can access the external data memory. The programmer can access the external data memory. This instruction will copy the data from accumulator to the external memory location, whose address is given by the register R0, or using register R0 or R1. The programmer can access the external data memory from the location. So 00H to FFH, these external memory location can be accessed beyond the DPTR is used. These are the few addressing modes, except that there are many addressing modes like absolute addressing mode, relative addressing mode, long addressing mode, subroutine and its long addressing mode. These are the few addressing mode, except these addressing mode. So let's see what is the relative addressing mode means. The relative addressing mode is used with some type of jump instruction like sjump and conditional jump. So such type of addressing is called as a relative addressing mode. The absolute addressing mode is nothing but which control and transfer the specified by its label. The address can be controlled or transferred by a specific label whose instruction associated with this mode is called absolute addressing mode. Few examples of absolute addressing mode are ACALL, AJump, and these are 2-byte instructions. Another one is long addressing mode. This mode addressing is used with LCall and jump instruction. It is a 3-byte instruction and last 2 bytes specify 16-bit destination location where the program branches is there, and it allows of whole 64K code space. Few of example of such type of addressing mode are LCall, timer. These are bit as well as long addressing modes. So this is the introduction about all the addressing mode with the examples. So these are very important. There may be a ask in the examination. They are giving such type of examples here, and they are asking this instruction belongs for what addressing mode. So it should be keep it in mind. So particular example given, it will belong to which addressing mode. So this is enough for the today lecture. We will rejoin again after 15 minutes. Okay.